Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be showing you a super cute DIY snowflake ballerina for your room. This DIY is inspired by the Nutcracker, a Christmas ballet I go to see every year with family. It's perfect for all winter long, so grab your craft supplies and let's get started. So for the skirt, you're going to need a piece of 8.5 inch by 8.5 inch white printer paper. You're going to fold it in half so that you can see a triangle, and then you're going to do the same thing again so that you make a smaller triangle. Unfold it temporarily and fold up the corners as you see me doing here. Then you will refold it along the same fold line. Now, taking your folded piece of paper, you're going to want to cut out whatever snowflake design you would like. If you would like yours to look like mine, just make it look like this. So then you can unfold your snowflake, and this is what the final skirt should look like. So next you are going to be making the dancer, so you will need a piece of white cardstock paper and a ballerina stencil of your choice. So you're just going to trace the ballerina and then grab your scissors and cut her out along the outline, and then you'll be ready to grab her skirt, and then you're just going to put that on over her head, and you can use some pieces of tape if you would like to secure the skirt onto the ballerina. Now we just need to hang our finished ballerina up, so grab some fishing line and cut it with the scissors to whatever size you would like to hang your ballerina on. Taking your ballerina, you're just going to take a piece of tape to tape that on there, and then you are ready to hang your ballerina up. If you make your own snowflake ballerina, make sure to tag me on Instagram at elisabethacrylic so I can see it. If you like this video, make sure to give it some love by hitting that thumbs up button. Comment below what videos you'd like to see on my channel in the future. And lastly, subscribe to join the fun and make sure you click the bell so you don't miss my next video. See you then. Mahalo!